I went Etsy shopping in February, and one artist that I've been meaning to start collecting was Lenka Filonenko. I so butchered that. But her Etsy store, you can buy the printed version. And while I do enjoy PDFs because, well, I'm in control of the paper, she had these like killer deals. You can buy them in packs, pre-picked packs. So you save on shipping and you get like a little discount. So I got the Fairy Bliss, Victorian Grace, and Enigma. So we'll just do a quick flip through so you can see what these are all about. I will leave a link in the description below as well. And all of them are signed by the artist. So spiral bound. Oh my gosh, this is the thickest cardstock ever. Listen to this. I thought it was 2 pages stuck together. That's a good thing. So it belongs to page. Ooh. And you can buy individual PDFs of her artwork. But I just decided to, you know what, like, I looked through some previews of the books. I love that one. And I decided to buy these 3 books in the pack and save myself money versus buying the PDFs individually. And she doesn't have all of the PDFs available all the time. That's like, it's so cute. Like, that'd be so cute for Easter. Oh wow, I like this one. I didn't flip through these, by the way, but I really like this one. I don't know why, I just do. Like, her hair is the thing of the mushroom, but yeah. Maybe that's pretty. It's really elegant. It's so thick, I keep trying to like make sure I'm not missing anything. Oh, that one's so cute. Aw, that's adorable. Oh, I like that too. Sorry for my congestion. I've been sick for like ever. It's never gonna go away. That one would be a fun one to color, actually. I like coloring berries. I find them therapeutic. Oh, speaking of, let's add some more types of berries. Oh, that's cool. Berries and mushrooms. Notice I really like pages with berries and mushrooms. And I don't color them enough, but I always find them pretty to look at. That is an awesome one. That would be perfect for fall. Just think of all the fall colors. Oh, that's so cute. It does have the grayscale, but it's kind of the digital grayscale. Ooh, that one's adorable. Reminds me of Maria Trolet and that one peach one, except I think she was on a swing in it. That's super pretty too. Oh, I like that one. Oh, and then looks like we get a test page. Yep, and then it shows like some of her other books. Hey, 2 of them I have. Magical Season you can actually get on Amazon. I don't think it comes in as good of quality as these ones here. I could be wrong. I haven't bought it yet. Alright, so this is Victorian Grace. Again, it has her signature. Ooh, I like that belongs to page. That's really pretty. Oh, that's cute. Beautiful. Super thick cardstock. You could put water on this and it's going to take some water. Now, it's not watercolor paper. Oh, I like that one. And it is smooth. Has a teeny bit of tooth, but it's pretty smooth. So keep that in mind if you're more of a fan of toothier paper. Oh, this is so pretty. Wow. Just thinking of the colors I would use. Oh, that's a cute one. Don't get enough pictures of, like, you know, grandparents from any artist, I feel like. I'm digging these, like, villages on their hats. Okay. Does anyone want to just go back to the Victorian days? Life seemed simpler then. Granted, I wouldn't have a YouTube channel for everyone to watch, but I would love to just chill in the garden with some tea. I guess I could do that now in modern days, but you know what I mean. That's really pretty. Now, because of the way these are printed, if you want to like adjust some of the grayscale, this will erase easily. Oh my gosh, I love that one. I don't know why, but I do. The feathers or something. Wow. Oh, that one is so cute too. I think that is the end. No test page on this one, but technically you could just use the back of this. All right. Now to the one I was most excited to get, Enigma. All right. Art Therapy Coloring Book. Again, signed by her. It always feels extra special when they're signed. Don't ask me why. Belongs to page like that. All right. I'm not a fan of coloring cats, I'm not gonna lie. I don't know why. I love coloring hair, but cat and like dog fur freak me out. Maybe it's because I have so many huskies and I deal with enough fur in my life. I love this. Not only do I love the hair, but look at this. Oh my gosh. That is freaking gorgeous. Oh, so is that one. It's going to be hard to find a favorite. I knew it. I love that. That's on the cover, I think. Oh, look at that one. I mean, just the fish and the wave. That's beautiful. That one's cool too. Ooh, that's cool. I like that one. Oh, the sunflowers, that's beautiful. Apologies if you hear Scout howling in the background. I made her go outside and she's not happy about it. Ooh, that'd be a fun one as well. I'm always amazed at artwork. I wish I could draw like this or picture these things in my head to even draw them. I think that's where I get, ooh, this would be fun. It's like a geode kind of behind her. Oh man, so many things you could do with that one. Oh, this one's cool. I'm digging the frames as well, kind of like frames in your picture. So you don't have to feel like you color the whole thing for the background. I've seen someone color this one. And it looked gorgeous. Oh, that one's pretty. Oh, that's so pretty. It's Mother Earth. At least that's what I'm going to call it. I don't know if that's what it actually is. Oh, I like that one. This one I'd probably do with markers. I don't know why, but it gives me that vibe. This one has a test page in it. This one doesn't have all her books listed, but there's a few others I would love to get from her. But yeah, so these are the 3 that I got from Lenka Filonenko. Yeah, I butchered it, but it'll be in the description below so that you can check out her Etsy. You can either buy the PDFs, test them out, see if you like them, or do the book bundles. But very gorgeous artwork. I mean, very talented woman. So thank you for checking out my little Etsy splurge. And until next time, take care. Bye now.